Let's face the brutal truth. You are sacrificing your future. You are chained to a dead corpse of a project that you poured money, time, and your very soul into. It's the sunk cost. It's not just money. It is the single most expensive bias in your life. It turns you into a pathetic justifier, forcing you to endure just because you're already in. The promise? We will give you 4 trap-breaking techniques so you can stop bleeding time and unleash the future you were meant to have. Watch this now. A sunk cost is any money, time, or effort that is already spent and is irrecoverable in the future. Rationality says we should base decisions on future benefit, but emotions do the opposite. Loss aversion strikes again. Admitting the project failed causes us double the emotional pain. We feel we have to compensate for what's gone by investing even more. This is the "I've gone too far now," a dangerous self-justification. Project example, they spent $5 million. They need $1 million more to finish, even though the benefit is only $500K. They still pay. Dating. Staying in a toxic relationship because you spent 5 years of your youth on it. Education. Pursuing an unsuitable degree because you paid 3 years of tuition. Finance. Holding a stock that keeps dropping, waiting for it to recover because you bought it high. Politics. Continuing a costly war because too many soldiers and too much money have been lost. Marathon runners. Continuing to run despite severe injury because you paid the registration fee. Sunk cost makes our decisions anchored to the past. It violates the core rule of business. Only care about the future. Vicious cycle. Invest, pain, invest more, more pain. This is why many people can never give up that old broken phone, even if they have enough money. The brain processes sunk cost as an attack on our ego. The first, cut your losses and name it. Call it what it is. This is a sunk cost. It's already gone. The second, apply the outsider test. If you were your own friend, what would you advise? The third, the bought and gone rule. After buying, the item's value drops to 0 in your mind. Fourth, change the decision maker. Ask someone else to decide for you. Successful companies like Netflix understand this well. They cancel expensive shows regardless of production costs already spent. Emotional freedom. Letting go of sunk costs is actually freeing up energy. That energy and money can be invested into a profitable future. Sunk cost is a lesson in money mindset and flexibility. Next time you feel regret about what's lost, remember the invested trap is always trying to keep you stuck. Letting go is strength, not weakness. Don't let the past buy your future. If you've been stuck in this trap, share your story. Like and subscribe for more psychological traps.